The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.